How to fix Facebook Messenger keeps loading on your screen error on Android. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can fix the Facebook Messenger loading error on your Android device. So let's say my Messenger keeps on loading even though my Wi-Fi is turned on or my data is turned on. So first thing what you can do is simply head over to your settings, and once you're inside settings, simply search in for Wi-Fi scan throttling option, which is inside the developer option. So from here you just make sure you have enabled this, and once you do that, you can also might want to try to fix the bug in your device by heading over to the developer option. If you don't see, you can search it from the top menu, and as you can see there is a bug report option. You can either choose the interactive report and full report if you want to report cover the whole situation, and just you might want to add the screenshot of your bug as well. And once you do that, simply click on report and it will automatically create a report for yourself. And if that doesn't fix, so what you want to do is simply click long press on this and just head over to I option, and inside the storage make sure you clear cache and clear the data from there. And once you do that, you have to re-log into your Messenger account and it should be fixing your error. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.